Whoa, what up, what's up? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, what we got today, you see the orange box, plain, nothing big about it. Here it is, the women's Air Max 1 LX in white, black, and total orange. Now, this is a part of the Just Do It pack. Now, when you get a chance, go ahead and check out my other videos, but I'll get into that later. You see, this one comes with one Just Do It bumper sticker. There's the white paper, pretty plain. Let's get to the kicks, man. Here it is, the women's Air Max Just Do It in white, black, and total orange. Now this one is identical to the orange pack, the orange pair. As you see, this comes with a pair of orange laces, clear bag, Nike logo on it. Like I say, this is just like the orange pair. Only difference is the colors been swapped. Okay, so both shoes are the same. You know, looking at it, you got the Just Do It on the back. This is full of Just Do It branding and Nike branding. You know, so if that's not your thing, then it is what it is. But other than that, man, you know, it's a pretty nice shoe for the females, man, you know. And on the bottom, you see you got the white, orange, and black pattern. On the side, you see you got your Nike stickers. The top, Just Do It. This comes with some orange laces. Now these orange laces that came in the shoes have Just Do It, you know, printed all throughout the laces. And the other pair is just some plain orange laces. You know what I mean? So there's a look at the air bubble. You know, I mean, it is what it is. I ain't really gonna go too deep into it, you know, because I explained pretty much everything that needed to be said on the other pair. So, you know, when you get a chance, go back and watch that video. Also, you know, I did a review on the Air Force Ones, the orange pair. I did the Air Max Ones, the orange pair. And here's you look at the Air Max Ones, the white pair. You know what I mean? So, like I say, I ain't gonna get too technical in this video. You know, if you want to know some more information, go check out the other two videos. You know what I mean? And it is what it is. Now looking at the shoe, man, comes with the white Just Do It hang tag, which I think is pretty dope. You know, there's you Just Do It on the back in black with the white letters. There's like that holographic swoosh sign on the medial side. I mean, all in all, it's a nice, classy little shoe, man. You know, this is a nice one for the ladies, you know what I mean? So as you look closer, you see some of that Nike branding. Just Do It along toe box. Like I say, man, you know, I think it's a nice shoe. Pretty cool. It might have went a little overboard with the labeling to some people, but it is what it is, man. You got to take it how they give it, man. You know, there's a look at the top. You know, pretty straightforward. There's your bottom look. There's your look at the back. You know, like I say, it's a pretty dope shoe to me. I'm feeling it. Even though it's not my responsibility to feel it or not, because this is a female shoe. So, you know, it is what it is, man. Y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. Turn notifications on. Follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAir504. Let's go ahead and get into the on foot, and I'ma holler.